So this one's a little different. This is magnetic patches. So they're patches made to go on pressure points. And it's, you know, a little bit unusual, but they pack a big punch, at least for me. It's a, you know, small daily ritual that I do just to, you know, if I have tension or something like that. It comes with these 40 magnets, and so this is a different, so the gold is, they're all stuck together, but the gold is different than the black ones, so they all come apart. So, but they're all, you know, they're pretty strong, so they all stick together, and you can just take off one at a time. So, and then it comes with all of these different patches you can use. So this is the one I've already used some of those up. So let's get, and I've already preloaded this one, if you can see it. And I like using it because I get a lot of tension headaches. You can use it, you know, behind your ears here, just clean the area, and then you just stick it on. So I just stuck it on the back of my neck. My massage therapist actually recommended these to me, you know, and you can use them, you know, any pressure points like your wrists. You can use them there. You can use them on your neck, behind your ears, just any pressure point that you have, depending on what type of pain that you have. So that's what I like to do. These little patches are reusable, and of course these are reusable. They're really easy to lose, so that's one thing. But they give you a whole bunch, you know. So, you know, you have them there for, I'll have this for a long time. And I really like these. They're rooted in acupressure principles, so it's a targeted spot placement on specific joints that's supposed to help people out. And I feel like it's really helped me, you know, out. The times that I remember to use them, I'll go in spurts, I'll remember, and then I start feeling good, so I'll forget to use them. So, you know, if you're interested in acupressure and feeling a little bit better than you did before, these are amazing, last forever, and I really am glad that I made this purchase.